Ready for tomorrow. The wide range of TBi products is being used in many different industrial segments throughout the world. When Alexander Binzel founded the company in 1990, he was able to build on the experience of over 25 years in the welding industries. Beginning with torch assembly and wholesale, he quickly decided to focus on R&D and production in order to become a manufacturer of his own branded welding torches. Soon after, worldwide distribution channels were established. TBi Industries is a 100% family-owned business, running now in the second generation after the three sons of Alexander Binzel took over all business operations. A highly motivated team of experienced senior staff and well-qualified young professionals actively expand the business. Flat hierarchies and extremely short decision paths are securing the flexibility of the day-to-day business. All entrepreneurial decisions are based on long-term, target-oriented strategic corporate planning. Ready for tomorrow. TBi is actively working on the latest and future-oriented welding torch technologies. Functionality, efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction are at the center of our product strategies and therefore guarantee distinct advantages for the end user. Taking the technological lead, TBi is offering a warranty on the TCP precision of their Robo MIG torches, a unique world-renowned feature. All product development takes place at the headquarters in Fernwald, Germany, from creating new ideas to the production of the first prototypes. The latest infrastructure of the R&D department, as well as the state-of-the-art equipped machine shop, allow for efficient development and testing of new product series. TBi products are sold and serviced successfully in more than 90 countries all over the world. Over 200 employees in the TBi Group and sales offices throughout Germany, Switzerland, Spain and France, as well as production sites in Czech Republic, Brazil and China, assure global market coverage. The large stock of finished products guarantees shortest delivery times, while the new technology and application center emphasizes our strong customer focus. All distributors and integrators get trained and certified through the technology center. TBi can offer even more. Customized solutions are engineered and produced in a short time. OEM system integration, process development and parameter optimization can be performed in the TBi Technology Center. Complex welding tasks are elaborated in close cooperation with leading robot and power source manufacturers. The quality management system is certified according to ISO 9001 and is constantly being updated to the latest requirements. TBi, a globally operating family business with highest competence in R&D. TBi, quality products made in Germany. TBi, more than just welding torches. TBi, from the first idea to the professional solution, your reliable partner for complex welding tasks. TBi, satisfied customers throughout the world. Ready for tomorrow. TBi Industries.